Welcome back to another video. Today I'm unboxing this fall gel nail polish by Modelones. I'll also pick one color to paint my natural nails. And this kit comes with 2 glitter colors and 4 cat eye colors. Let me show you. Here are all the colors. Let me know which one you would pick. I prepped and applied a base coat off camera and started with my pinky. And I applied pressure on the brush to slowly get closer to the nail bed. Then I used my thumb to hold the side of my finger to get into the corners without touching my skin. I feel like cat eye nail polish will always be a trend. What do you think? I got the first coat done, and now I'm using a different magnet to shift the polish around on the second coat. This magnet did not come with the kit, and this part is so much fun. You can create so many beautiful designs. I'll leave a link to this kit in the description below if you want to purchase. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed painting my nails. And here we're just using a top coat and we're all done. This color is perfect for the fall. Thank you to Modelones, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.